This is DJI Spark, and today I'll show how you can check the aircraft's battery temperature on this device. So in the beginning, enter the camera view of the DJI Go 4 app. Next, launch settings by tapping at those three dots you'll find at the top right corner of the screen. Now select the battery category, that's the third icon from the bottom, or well, the fifth one from the top. And here you'll find the current battery temperature, the battery that is installed in the aircraft itself. So mine is at a reasonable temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. And well, you can also, by the way, access this menu from the status bar. Just tap at the battery icon to open the aircraft battery specifications directly. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.